President Draupadi Murmu has put out a statement. Remember, today is the festival of Raksha Bandhan, but it also comes in the backdrop of the incident that has taken place in Kolkata, and therefore the President of the country has also sought women's safety. President Murmu says, let's pledge to ensure the dignity of women. It's a big message amid the pan-India outrage as well. Vice President Dhankar has also put out a statement saying, uphold the dignity and respect of women. Remember, Raksha Bandhan is a beautiful festival of the bond between siblings, between brother and sister specifically, and specifically often as seen as sister and a brother protecting the sister. And perhaps that would be more pertinent as we look at what unfolded in Kolkata. It's not literally, it's about as a society symbolically to stand for each other, stand together and ensure the least that can be done is to keep our young girls, women safe in this nation. President Murmu and Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar speaking about it. Piyush Mishra joins me for the latest on that. Piyush, while it's heartening as a message, as best wishes that have come in, as comes in on all festivals, but this in many ways has been also about how can we ensure what we celebrate to push it forward and to ensure society change as well, Piyush, isn't it? Piyush, if you can hear me, the statement that has come in from President Murmu and Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar reflects also on how we need to go ahead for women's safety. All right, so we have the statement that have come in from the top leadership of this country. And remember, while many celebrate, and rightly so, we must also ensure that this bond is not just about siblings by blood and birth, but also for each other in this country who we should vow and pledge to protect.